Hi, for this lesson I'm going to give a quick tutorial on how I use Google Forms as an assessment in my classroom. Now, a few of the things that I did not know before I started experimenting with forms is that here in the settings, I definitely need to click these collect email addresses. Now, if you click that off, because it's not clicked on when you start a form. Now, you have to click this on just to make sure you get your students' information. Now you can also put on your quiz, their name on the form, but this collects their email address, and you can see their names right in their email address if their emails have their name in them, which ours do. So also you want to, if you want them to limit to one response, or if you want them to have multiple responses, you can click on or click off here. You can have them edit after they submit and then have a summary of text responses. I don't usually do that, but I go to presentation, and I love to put the progress bar so they can see how far they've come in the test, and also if they to shuffle the order of the questions in the test. Now, this is a quiz, and I like to grade after manual review because a lot of my questions are not only multiple choice, they are free response. Here, I like to have the respondents see the missed questions. If you want them to see the correct answers, I would not if you want them to retake it, because this gives them the correct answers. And the point values, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So let's save that. And then one really cool thing before I end this tutorial is that down here within the quiz questions, once you put them in, you can shuffle the order of the answer options, which is great to ensure that students do not cheat. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.